Welcome to Animo RETAIL. In this video, we will see how to create an initial stock. So, what is initial stock? Whenever we implement Animo RETAIL at any retail organization, obviously we need to upload the initial stock which is already there. I mean, it's already there in your store, and you want to upload that stock into Animo RETAIL. So to do that, we do have a functionality called initial stock. Okay, let's go to initial stock. We can simply go from here, or else we can go to menu inventory, then transaction, and then there is a functionality called initial stock, right? Now, to make an initial stock for any store, like you have to log into that particular store. Like at present we are logged in 002 Animo Retail store. We'll click on the new initial stock, and what we'll do is we'll scan the barcode. Okay, so this is one way. By the way, the second option is you upload the you can upload it through Excel upload or CSV upload, right? And save it. So that is it. This is the way you can create an initial stock. You can have multiple documents. There is no limitation on the document creation. You can have multiple document for the initial stock transaction. Okay. One more thing, I shall show it to you. When you are creating an initial stock, right, you can change the quantity, and okay, the cost price is not it is not giving me. Okay, you can change the cost price as well. Okay, when you are creating an initial stock, you can change the cost price as well. Thank you very much for the watching this video.